This is the Pheasant, Chesham, another high level, which is a bloody miracle because there was a missing overflow after 2021, but yeah. Got the original part, well, pre. Yeah. It's a bit of flush, but like I say, I knew a modern system was coming, but yeah, houses aren't the same, I think, but modern patterns, but yeah. Nice to get an older pan, and hopefully later on I'll get an older system as well. Yeah, amazingly, 4 high-level films, all modern systems, admittedly, replicas, but pretty good going actually. See, I'll leave it there. It's dragging on, but yeah, good pan, decent enough.